Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So let me today start with creating the simple to complex charts. So what do I mean with that? First, we will create the data table. Then we are going to create a simple chart out of that. And then we are going to add few features which will be at the advanced level. But you'll be able to grasp very quickly, I'm sure about it. Okay, so let us start. Let us start by creating a table. So I'll create a very simple table. So suppose I'm creating year, product, sales and profit. So I want to compare the sales and profit of a particular product for multiple years. So let me add, suppose I'm adding 10 years. So I'll just add 10 years. Okay. Product, I want to just take one product because I want to compare the sales and the profit of a particular product. So I'll have the random sales entered here. Don't worry about the values because these are the random values, but we also will create the spike so that our chart will look good and it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, we'll have the profit. Okay, so let us give one consistent formatting. So I'll just create one consistent formatting for this. I'll just do some beautification to the table so it looks good. So these are some formatting tricks which are very useful. So before you create the chart, just make sure that your table looks very good. Also, I'll just remove the grid lines so our entire table would look much cleaner than what we have right now. Okay, so this is how we created the data table, which is very easy. You already know about this part. Okay, so let us start creating the chart now. This is the most interesting part of the lecture. So we'll click on insert. I'll click on recommended charts. I don't think I like any of these, so let us go to all charts. So we'll select whatever we want. So in all charts, you can try to click multiple options and you see which one you like. So I'll go to the column chart. So first I'll select whatever it gives. Okay. So I clicked here. Okay. Now if you see, the chart doesn't look so good because it is giving the electronics for all the bars, years across all the bars. So this doesn't look good at all. So first I'll just right click. I want to change the data because my chart should not take the product. So I'll just click on edit. I'll just select the years because I don't want the product electronics to appear in my chart. I just want to compare the profit, the sales across multiple years. So okay, I have selected okay. Now you can see the electronics just went away and now we can see multiple years and we can see our chart. So we have the sales and we have the profit. Now if you see, the value of profit is, the value of sales is very high, the value of profit is very low. So that's the reason we cannot see the profit at all in our chart. So what do we do about it? Very easy. We just need to make one as primary axis, another as secondary axis, because there is huge difference in the values. So what I'll do, I'll just right click and select change series chart type. Now if you see, we have sales and profit. Sales is in blue color, profit is in orange color. So I want to make profit as the secondary axis. Now if you see, as soon as I make secondary axis, I can see the value for the profit is coming towards the right and the value for sales is coming towards the left. So now I can distinguish which one is profit, which one is sales, and what is the value. But still I have this chart type as bar, which doesn't look good. So what I'll do, I'll just select the different chart type for my sales. So I'll select line with markers. Okay, as soon as I selected this, now you can see it looks beautiful. My sales across the years is in blue bars, and my profit across the years is in line charts with marks. So now it is very easy for me to distinguish between the sales and the profit. One more thing which I want to do is I want to add the labels, because again it doesn't give me the clear idea how much is my profit across the year. So just right click on that particular bar, just click on add data label. Now you can see data label is there. Same for line chart, I'll right click, I'll add data label. I'll see the data label for the profit as well. I'll just increase the width so that I can see everything very clearly. Now chart title, I'll just double click and I'll give the title which I need. Performance of electronics across the years, because this will give me the idea that this chart is created for the electronics. So how do I interpret this chart? I have sales in blue, I have profit in orange. Left hand side I can see the sales which is starting from 20,000 till 140,000. I have line chart, and right hand side I have the profit which is ranging from 0% till to 35%. So from this chart I can interpret that 1998 is the year where my sales was highest. I had 120,000 of sales in the year 1998. And if I see the profit, I can see my profit in 1992 year was the highest, which was 30%. So I can evaluate what happened in 1992, which brought my profit to very high. I also can evaluate what changes I have made in my organization, what changes I have made in my sales, so that electronic was sold highest in the year 1998. So I can have these learnings and I can adjust my business according to this data, and I can take critical decisions based on this chart and based on this data. So it is very important to have this kind of representation so that we can take valuable decisions. Now I want to still make this chart beautiful, so there are multiple options I get in the design tab. I can select any of the so if I select this, you can see how the chart is changing. So now see, it is looking so beautiful that I have black as a background and white as the word. So I can do whatever I want. I can also customize. I can just select this particular chart. I can go to home. I can just play with the formatting and you will see the difference. So this is how you can make your chart beautiful, and you can just play with the formatting. But most important thing is that this chart gives you the critical data based on which you can take the critical decisions. So this is very important to learn how to create such kind of chart. Okay, thank you very much for